leave. Justice, justice for our people. Justice, justice for our farmers. We demand justice. We demand justice. When? No justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. No peace in East Africa. No justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in East Africa. No peace in East Africa. US. Stop supporting the terrorists. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed cannot bring peace in Ethiopia, in East Africa. Abiy Ahmed cannot bring peace in East Africa. Abiy Ahmed is a distraction to peace. Abiy Ahmed is a distraction to peace in East Africa. Isaiah Afwerki is a distraction to peace in Ethiopia. We demand justice. Justice, yes. Peace, yes. War, no. Destruction, no. Terrorism, no. Terrorist Amara Bando. Out of Oromia now. Terrorist Amara Bando. Out of Oromia now. USA. Stop supporting the terrorist Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is unfit to lead. Abiy Ahmed is a distraction to peace in East Africa. Abiy Ahmed is killing his own civilians using drones. We demand justice. Justice, yes. Peace, yes. Out of Oromia. Killing
Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. He's a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is unfit to lead. Unfit to lead. We demand justice. We demand justice. Abiy Ahmed is responsible for ethnic cleansing in Oromia. Abiy Ahmed is responsible for ethnic cleansing in Oromia. Oromo life matters. Oromo life matters. Stop Oromo cleansing in Ethiopia. Stop Oromo genocide in Ethiopia. Stop Oromo land grabbing in Ethiopia. Stop Oromo land grabbing in Ethiopia. Abiy is sponsoring genocide